Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I just set up this thing here on the back of this right here. You can see what it is it just has these little anchors here, and they go there, you screw them on, super simple, and then all the wires can run through the center there. I think I actually have it backwards. These little strips should be on the other side, but either way, then you can run all your wires through the center of it, and then it gives you the ability to have all your wires up off the floor. So if you look now on this side of the desk, I mean, well, this one here is hanging down, but you can see there's no wires along the floor, where the other side does have some. So really cool little setup there, and I like it. Very good. And there you can see it from a little bit further away there. It just kind of hangs there in the back, so it's totally not in the way because it's in the back of the desk. In the end, I'm going to push these two desks together, so there'll be one on either side. But very cool little setup, super easy. The installation is in this page right here if you do need it, but probably don't. I didn't even look at it. Thumbs up.